Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's baking episode, we are going to be making cheesecake pie. This recipe is way simpler to make and comes out creamier with less effort than a normal cheesecake due to smaller amount of filling. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's get started. Place evaporated milk, lemon zest. We only need 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. We're gonna also follow with 2 tablespoons of flour. We are using all-purpose flour. We're gonna follow with 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, cream cheese, and sugar. Then we're gonna cover and blend until smooth. Once it's smooth, we're gonna go ahead and pour into a 9-inch graham cracker crumb crust. One thing I like about this cheesecake pie, you don't need to bake it in water bath. Now we're gonna bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until the center is set. To make sure your cheesecake is done, where oven meets, of course, gently shake the cheesecake pie. If the cheesecake pie looks nearly set and only a small center in the middle jiggles slightly, is done. Also, when it's done, this cheesecake pie can be made in advance. Cover it and refrigerate for up to 3 days. Now we're gonna set it aside and let it cool completely at room temperature. Next, we're gonna top with mixed berry pie filling, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight. I like to leave mine overnight. A shout out to my daughter, Happy Mancha Traveler. Guys, go check her out. Road to 7,000 subscribers. The link is in the description box. Give her some love. Tell her Mama Bui sent you over. Now we're gonna cover this and put in the refrigerator. Then tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna cut the slice and show you how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Share the video with your friends and family. Let them know about Mama Bui and share my recipes too. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my